This is a great opportunity for a cloud engineer to work in ING Bank. ING Bank is one of the famous banks in Australia. Millions of customers in over 40 countries use ING's banking products and apps. So, as part of this role, you will be providing operations and cloud solution support to the software delivery teams, and you will also be supporting ING's cloud production deployment and disaster recovery capabilities. You will also be contributing to software delivery, cloud infrastructure, and operation practices. This job is based in Sydney, Australia, and works on a hybrid structure. So few days in the office, few as work from home. In order to be successful in this job, you would need to have experience with DevOps in cloud, plus experience of virtualization technologies like Hyper-V, VMware, and also service-based cloud models. You should be fluent in one or more scripting languages such as Python, Java, and you should also have some sort of exposure to Ansible plus some sort of web development. And you should be adept in how APIs work and their frameworks. Plus, certification is a plus if you have it. And as you know, I'm not a big fan of certifications, but sometimes it helps you to get a job. Nothing more, nothing less. Anyway, if you feel like this job is for you, then go to ING Bank's website and apply from there. Thank you very much.